Well, today is July 6th. Right there, Friday. And that little fish symbol there says, should be a good day for fishing, according to our fish guide, if you are a fisherman. And I'm not. Today's July 6th, and I'm up a D. Alright, here we go. We're going to get that tractor ready to go to my sons, because they need it. But, as you can see, I still ain't got my project, the bike running yet. Got my four-wheeler running. That means I got to move it so I can work on stuff. Same with our van. Got it running. He wants to use the lawn sweep. So we got that to get ready. Alright, as you can hear, my air compressor's running. I'm just blowed that off just to try to get it a little bit ready. I ain't really done a good PM on it this summer. Probably won't, but at least you got to blow them off, blow the dust out of them every once in a while. Make sure things are looking okay. That's what we're working on right now. I know it's not the correct way, but I'm taking that air filter off. I took that pre-filter off a long time ago. That fell apart. The tractor's probably at least 30 years old. It's an old GE 1100. I bought this one used. My new one that I bought, so it's over there somewhere. Ain't it amazing? Alright, this is what we're working on. Talk to you guys soon. Well, I got the mower deck off. It's not too hard with it. The hook-o-matic system they got. Well, I don't remember what they call it, but it's a real easy hookup system. We're going to change oil in her, and away we go. I'm going to check the mower deck, see what kind of damage. I put new blades on it this year. See how much stuff's under there, and I did hit some small twigs and K-bond hooks with it, but I have maybe a rock or two here and there, stone. We'll see how bad the blades are. Air filter back on, wiped her down a little bit. To change the oil in this, you remove this here little square plug. Works pretty good. Takes 1/2 wrench. I'll show you in a minute when I got it all drained. I was wrong. It's a 7/16 that goes on there, and you just loosen that up. That's finger loose now. And then you got your pan down there. A little tough to change it with the mower deck on, but I had to pull the mower deck anyways. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It takes a straight 30 weight oil. So, alrighty. We'll let her drip while we look at the mower deck. I'm going to take and scrape the deck down. I looked at the blades and I felt them. I'm not going to take the time to pull them off today. They look pretty sharp. Not too many nicks in them. That one's got a couple in it. But, it's not. I don't think it's worth trying to pull off, sharpen. But we're going to knock that stuff on. I'll spray some stuff on it I've got, and we'll go from there. Okay, we greased it.
Oh no, I ate that big one out of the ground.
Yeah, see, we got it greased right there.
I kind of want to keep it.
Greased over there. Greased the wheels. And we even got one way back in there somewhere.
Well, like I said, it was.
But we'll do a better video. Grease the mower deck.
I kind of want to get that big white toast looking thing. That looks like sweet. So. Huh?
Now we're getting ready to grease those tires that run on the ground. There we're greasing. It don't take much, but we try to grease this about every time or every other time when we mow with it, because we mow a little bit of grass. Son's going to take it and use it this year. So, all right. Okay, we're going to check the oil, and we just changed the oil in the tractor, and brand new oil. But that's where you add oil to, where that dipstick went in. Where's that dipstick at, son? I can't find you. Oh, I see a finger. There we go.
Looking good. We're full.
Says we're full. Takes little less than a quart on this tractor. So, and it takes a straight 30 weight oil in this engine for someone. Okay, and that's done.